Okay, we are still continuing on our paper of September 2023. Now we're doing question 5, which is the hyperbola function. Now they are saying write down the equation of the asymptote. From here we know that always our q here, which is our original equation, it's y is equals to a all over x minus p plus q or minus q, then you say f at x here. Now our y is asymptote, it's always y is equals to q, and x asymptote is x equals to, if it's negative here, it's going to be positive q. If it was negative here, let me say plus or minus, if my x was negative or my x was positive, it's going to be minus p. Now from this one 5.1, our y asymptote is y is equals to -1. We always take the number with its negative, with its sign, and the sign doesn't change for y asymptote, but x is going to be x is equals to my asymptote is equals to 3. From here, if we can take this 3 minus x is equals to 0, take x to the other side, it's just x is equals to 3. Don't get confused. Okay, now 5.2, write down the x and the y asymptotes. If you are writing down the y x-intercept, and the y-intercept, we always let. So from here, just let x is equals to 0. If you are letting x, meaning we are looking for y asymptote, so it's going to be g of x into -3 into 3 minus 0 and then minus 1. Then if it's our x is 0, it's -3 minus 0 and then minus 1, then it's what? It's -2. So our coordinate is 0 maps to -2. Then we let y equal to 0. So if y is 0, -3 into 3 minus x and then minus 1. Take 1 to the other side, it's positive, and then it's -3 into 3 minus x, and then this is over 1. Cross multiply, we have -3 is equals to 3 minus x, and then we take x to the other side, we take 3 to the other side, is about 3 plus 3, which is 3 plus 3, which is 6, and then our coordinates here is just 6 map 1 map 0. I hope everyone understand. And then from here, now following question, now it's saying draw the graph of G, show all the asymptotes and the x-intercept. Now let's go to our Cartesian plane here to draw our graph. Asymptotes of y, we know that y is equal to -1, so this is our asymptote here, -1. This is our y asymptote. So if we can draw our y asymptote here, we know that's where our graph is undefined, and then we have x is equal to 3. That is our x asymptote. This is our x asymptote. That's where our graph is undefined. And then I have a point where it's 0 maps to -2, which is this one here. And then I also have 6 maps 0, 6 maps 0, which is my point here. And from here I can draw my graph, which is just going like this, and then also going this side, and then from here going like this, and from here going like this. I hope everyone understand and see our graph. And then from here, the last question, now it's saying determine the equation of the axis of symmetry with a negative gradient. Now, how do we find the axis of symmetry, which is the equation? It's always our equation of a straight line there. Now, if we are finding the axis of symmetry, our gradient is always 1, but it depends which gradient do they want. Now, here they did specify they want the negative gradient, meaning our gradient is going to be negative 1. And then from here, which point do we use? We use the point of asymptote. The coordinate of our asymptote here is 3 maps to what? Maps to negative 1. It's 3 maps to negative 1. That's our point of asymptote. And then from here we substitute. It's going to be negative 1 of gradient by x is 3, and then plus c. The negative 1 to negative 3 plus c. This goes to the other side, and then it's plus 3 equals to c, and then it's just going to be positive 2, which is equal to c, and then my equation here is just y is equals to negative x and then plus 2, and then this is my equation of axis of symmetry with a negative gradient. I hope everyone understands. Thank you so much. Thank you.